Seekh Kebab recipe. 1 pound ground beef 80% lean, 20% fat. 1 onion finely chopped, 2 teaspoons ginger and garlic paste. 1/4 cup mint finely chopped, 1/4 cup coriander finely chopped. 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 green chili ground into paste. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 3/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup yogurt. 2 tablespoons mint leaves, 2 tablespoons cilantro leaves. Water as needed for desired consistency. 1. In a large bowl, mix the ground beef, chopped onion, ginger, garlic paste, mint, coriander, melted butter, green chili paste, and spices coriander powder, cumin powder, cayenne pepper, and salt. 2. Knead the mixture well until everything is evenly combined. 3. Shape the mixture into elongated kebabs around skewers. 4. Grill or pan-fry the kebabs until cooked and nicely browned on all sides. 5. For the yogurt raita, mix yogurt with mint and cilantro leaves. Add salt and water to achieve the desired consistency. 6. Serve the Seekh Kebabs hot with the refreshing yogurt raita. Enjoy your delicious Seekh Kebabs. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget check out the description.